Looking for reliable and affordable full-service movers in El Paso, Texas? In today's video, we'll break down everything you need to know to make your next move stress-free, fast, and cost-effective. Let's start with the cost. Hiring professional movers in El Paso doesn't have to break the bank. Local moves typically cost $100 to $150, while long-distance moves range from $250 to $450. But if you have large furniture or appliances, you might expect additional fees. Along with full packing and moving services, many companies in El Paso offer local hauling and storage options. Need a place to store your belongings for a while? These movers can provide secure storage solutions before, during, or after your move. When it's time to choose a moving company, be sure to ask for referrals from friends and family who have recently moved. Online reviews and Better Business Bureau ratings are also great ways to gauge a company's reliability. Here are a few tips to ensure a smooth move. Get multiple estimates. Ensure movers are licensed and insured, label boxes, and direct movers. Ready to make your move? Contact a trusted moving company in El Paso today for a free estimate. Don't wait. Get the best rates and top quality service now. Thank you for watching. Remember, cheap full-service movers in El Paso are just a phone call away. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more moving tips and tricks.